Hi, good morning everybody. This is Rakesh. Welcome to AGAA-MATH. Today we are going to learn about the coding and decoding, that is letter coding. As we have seen in the before class, there are total 5 types. One of them is the first type is letter coding. So here the question for first is LXNU is coded as NYPV. Then how do we code QTBR? So this is a coding which is given L X N U and it is coded as L Y P V. Now we have to decode it. Decode means how after the L, how the L is coded as N. If you observe, L after means, if you observe here, LMN and here X WX. So here no letter gap, so one letter is skipped here and no letter was skipped in this space. So MN and NOP. Okay, so here one letter got skipped and UV direct. So if you observe, one letter was skipped and no letter, then one more letter was skipped. If you observe this carefully, so how do we code Q T B R? Okay, Q T B V R. In this, first letter was skipped by one letter, so Q R, so S. So the first letter for coding Q is S. If you observe this, in this there is only 3 options. One is E, D, A, which are begin with the letter S. So we have the chances with A, D, E, 3 options in this. Now let us see the next letter, T, U, U, which there is no skipping the letter in this. So T, U, so S, U, S, U, S, U begins with here E. So SU, so we leave the other 2 because no second letter begins with U. So the answer is E. You can confirm easily, where you can save the time for finding the answer and just okay. So no need to go for the remaining as for the given options. Even you can check if you need, if you are in practicing, not for the exam, so you can check even. So here if you observe, the third letter was skipped by one letter, so B, C was skipped here, and D. R, no letter will be skipped, yes, so SUD, yes. But when you go through the competitive exams, so check with the options, so that no need to find the remaining, where you can save the time to do the solution. Okay, fine. This is one question. Let us see another question now. Before you watch the video, like our channel, subscribe it and click on the bell icon for notifications. Let us see the next question here. So AAB, AAB. So it seems no difference. First of all, let us, if you observe in this, the first letter is a capital letter A and it is coded as with a small letter A. When it is given a small letter, then it is coded as capital letter, and here also the small letter, then it is given as a capital letter. So what we observed is capital letter is decoded with a small letter, right? So here when we have the capital letter P, so the small letter P we can see in the options C and D, here and here. So the result will be in these 2 only. Let us see the next. So second option Q, that is small letter, sorry, second letter is Q. In this the second letter both are the same, right? Then I'll go with the third letter. R is a small letter, so we need the capital letter, so that is option C. C is the option. So in this way we can see some questions. So let us go with the next question here. Yeah, here the next question we see now. So that is DULC is coded as EVMD. Then already he given the coding, that GXOF. Now we have to decode for what code this becomes GXOF. for what? Okay, so let us see how to find then. If you observe in this, okay, so given is D DULC. DULC is coded as EVMD. Observe clearly, no letter was skipped. A, B, C, D, E, D, E, U, V, L, M, C, D. So without the skipping, they have given the succeeding letter, that is the next letter of the letter here, that is D after E, U, V, L, M, C, D. Similarly, so for what? That is G, X, Y, F. For what this will be coded like this. So if you go reverse, so before G, what the letter we have? So before the E it is D, so before the G, F. So with what F, what options are here? We have the options like A, C, D, E. Sorry, A, C, D, A, C, D. So before X, what we have? Before X, we can see that is a W. So FW with only this option D. So without checking the remaining, where you can save the time in the competitive examinations, so we can answer, we can say that it is F, W and E is the right answer for this. Let us see one more question. Now let us see at this question, that is DCBA is coded as WXYZ. Then what letter is coded as VWXY, right? So if, as we seen before questions, we always think like how D is coded as W and how C is coded as X and B is coded as Y and A is coded as Z, right? So it's not like that, but there's a simple thing. When you see that the first, okay, in the first given, these are in the reverse order, like A, B, C, D. So these are coded in this order, A, B, C, D, and here we have written in a right order, that is W, X, Y, Z, right? So similarly, if you see here V, W, X, Y, so there. Now we need in a letter which is in the reverse order, so that to be picked up from the options, given options, that is MLKJ, MKJN, GFE, CKLMG, but we need in a reverse order. So J, K, L, M. Yes, the first option is reverse in order. Even you can check N after, no way we get the J. So C, D was skipped here, G, no way of getting, M, N, no way. So that is only the first option which is in the reverse order. So MLKJ, that is in reverse if you read J, K, L, M. So this is what the first option. So in a letter coding we have more different, okay, it depends on our practice, where we can understand easily. Let us see now. The next question is APOC. APOC, right? So we have to find what is the solution, what is the answer for this, as he given ITSK is coded as MVUN. Let us observe how these are coded. So ITSK is coded as MVUN. In this, if you see here, K to L, only one letter is gap. S to V, T, U, two letters is gap, and without any letter skipping any letter, it is given T, U. And if you observe from I to N, if you observe I, J, K, L, M, so 4 letters skipped by 4 letters. So in this, if you observe here, A, P, O, C. So the first letter, the last C is skipped with the one letter, so that is C, D. Then it is should be with E. So here we have 3 options, A, D and E. Okay, so A, D, E. So then in this we have to check with the next letter O. O. Okay, so in this O, if you check, so O, the two letters P, Q, so the next letter is R, so ER, again we have only in the option A, no more we have, so we can consider that option A is the right answer. So in this way we can find the answers. Let us see few more questions. Here the next question: in a certain language, champion is coded as HCMAIPNO. How is negative coded? So how? Then if you observe this champion, that is CHAMPION champion is coded as what? HCMAIPNO. So just you observe very clearly it is right. So in this, if you observe, that is CH is written in the reverse order. CH. AM is nothing that AM. PI ON. Then similarly, if you take, okay, if you take that is negative, NEGATIVE. If you observe this, the first two letters are like any, so I just write NEGA, means AG. TI, it means IT. VE, it means EV. So ENAGITEV. So yeah, we have in the first option. So as it begins with the letter E, easily we can say no more only two options, but EN we want. With EN no letter, no option is this except the first. So without finding the remaining also, we can say the option is the first one. So this is the right answer. So fine, now we have few more questions. So this is depend on the practice. As you practice more number of questions on this, you can get more perfect. So if you have any doubt, you can give a mail us, that is askagaamath@gmail.com. Thank you for